Soup is a comfort in cold weather and a great way to get a healthy dose of vegetables. Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Guillermo.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. If we're going to be completely honest, we have to admit that Guillermo's the one at our home that does most of the cooking, right?
Yeah, that's right.
One of the things I do make is soup, but Guillermo usually ends up fixing it for me.
That's right too.
Why don't you tell us some of the key things to remember when making a green soup?
Okay. Number 1. Always add salt and pepper at the beginning. Number 2. Don't overcook your vegetables. Number 3. Add some...
Take a break. One more time, okay?
Add some raw spinach when blending to make it more green. Number 4. Mix your soup until it's very smooth.
Did you know that asparagus is a member of the lily family? We certainly didn't. Roughly chop a large onion. Onions are the starting point for most soups as they add sweetness and flavor to the mix. Notice how Guillermo chops with his fingertips curled under for safety. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pot and heat it. When your pot is hot, add the onion and cook on medium-high for 5 minutes or until translucent. Chop 2 cloves of garlic, add to the pot and cook for 1 minute. Cut off the ends of your asparagus. Save them in the freezer for making broth. Roughly chop the asparagus and add to the pot. Season with salt and pepper and cook everything together for 3 minutes. Pour in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. Bring to a boil, then simmer on low for 3 minutes. Immediately after the 3 minutes, add your vegetables to the blender. Add a handful of raw spinach. Mixing your soup very well gives it a smooth texture. Fine restaurants mix their soup for a very long time. If you want to add extra flavor to your soup, add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pot. Reheat your soup, but don't bring it to a boil as the high temperature will change the color of the green vegetables. To take your soup to another level, make a garnish. Chop about 2 inches off the top of some asparagus stalks. Then slice diagonally. Boil water in a pot with 1 tablespoon of salt added. Place a strainer on top and put in the asparagus garnish. Cook for 1 minute, then plunge into a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking. Add 1 teaspoon of oil into a small frying pan. Cook on high for 1 minute and add salt and pepper. When your soup has reheated, serve it with the garnish on top. You can adapt this soup recipe to other green vegetables. We hope you enjoy your delicious soup.
It's tasty. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this soup.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.